Because issue me I bring to us, you can see the headline, the description. The headline is all about the school has them, our local school, and the school has them right now. Sewage in some local sewage problem. I know the school pit them can't take the center of this high scenting sewage water we are run. You see? So the authority, bigger authority we are look for see the bigger authority them can send come to this basic school. Because this basic school they have a lot of local kids in it and so forth. So then can send come to this basic school they come get the sewage water stop. Because it's not good for the local youth them. See what I did? So please and thanks me I beg the authority them if they just can deal with it. You see? See the people sit right around from here. See it? Right sit around from. See it? Where the school is. You see it? Glenford Phipps Memorial Basic School right down from Matches Lane. Yeah man, we don't need the authority them if you can see that video here and really attend to it because trust me, we care about our kids them, you know. You see? And see the gate there? See? At the gate there, see the school. You see? And see the water stink. As I tell you, see the water very, very smell really, really high. You see me? Really, really high. See? And the kids them inside, them just come off a breaks a while ago. That's the yard full up. You see? That's the yard full up of kids because them just come and just dip on breaks. See one more kids are going there. Them just come off a breaks. And them have to play in the yard. Them have to play in the yard and play and look at the water and it's high. You see me? And them are sent it and not good for them else as the little kids that grow up. So please I beg the authority, please. The teacher them call and so forth, the principal and the teacher them call, everybody a ball up, the teacher them can't take it. Imagine if the teacher them can't take it, the picking them roads can't take it. We are begging you, please, you know, come attend to this. Emergency, urgent, please. We are begging you to come attend to this. Right down at Matches Lane at the basic school, Glenford Phipps Memorial Basic School. Please, authority, come attend to this, please, just for the sake of the kids them. We don't want our kids them for sick, please. I beg you, in the name of the Almighty God, please, I beg you, come fix it for you, yeah man. So that is it with people. That will basically come. I say, and we are beg, our plea for this, for get it for really attended to Zane, yeah man. So that is it. Like I pray, yeah. So big up on yourself for respect and thanks, just like that. Like I pray that.